Hey, so today we're going to do pulled string painting, and the first thing that you are going to need to do is get a canvas, and you want to paint a base color on your canvas. You could do one solid color, or you can mix colors. For mine, I did a blue and white blend. Then the next thing you're going to do is want to decide how many flowers you want on your canvas. I'm going to do 5, one longer, bigger one, and 4 smaller on the side. And then you want to cut your string for as many flowers as you're going to make. For the big one, I did 2 times the length of the canvas, and the little ones I did 1.5 the length. So you're going to cut those out. So for the big one, I think I'm going to try to make it a 2-tone. So how you do that is you're going to pour your paint on your string, and you're going to alternate the colors. Maybe if you don't run out of paint. Not to worry, I have another orange. So it might be a 3-tone, but that's cool. Alright, so the whole length of the string, you're kind of just going to goober some paint on there. Whatever colors that you would like. For mine, I'm going to do an orange and yellow theme. All the way. Going. And you want to go almost to the end of the string. You want to leave a little piece dry because that's where you're going to pull. And then I'm going to wet my brush just a little bit. I'm really going to just come in here and saturate the string with the colors. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to carefully pick our string up out of the paint. And what you want to do, if it's kind of dripping off, you can go ahead and just dab a little bit of the paint off of there. We're going to bring it over to our canvas, and I'm going to start in the middle. And you're going to just let the string drop on the painting. And you're just going to make some loopy swirly designs all the way down the canvas. Alright, so there's the string on the canvas. So now what you're going to want to do is pull straight down. You want to try to pull and keep your string in the same place that you're pulling throughout. So then as it's pulling down, it's going to make a sort of floral looking design. Alright, so there's our first flower. And for the smaller ones, I put my 2 colors separately in little Dixie cups. A couple tablespoons, just enough that we're going to saturate the strings. I'm going to pour just a little bit of water in each. That way they're a little bit thinner and they're kind of easier to get all in the string that way. Give them a stir. Yellow. Alright, so I'm going to take my string and dip it in the color. And I'm going to use my little tool here to help push it in there and get it saturated. Give it a stir. And again, you want most of it, but leave the end dry because you're going to pull with that. Unless you don't mind getting your fingers dirty, and then you can just do the whole string. I'm going to pull it out. Alright, so again, same thing. I'm going to go not as tall as this one, but you're going to place your flower and just make loopy swirly designs throughout the canvas. There you go. Alright, and again, we're going to pull, trying to keep the string in the same spot. And there's our second flower. And just for the sake of time, guys, I'm going to do one more in orange so you can see it again. But basically, you repeat the process for however many flowers you want on your painting. And then when you're done, you know, you can add other glitters, details, jewels, whatever you like, and kind of customize it a little bit. For the string, I am using yarn, but really any kind of porous string will work. You know, just not the plastic string. It doesn't hold the paint like this string does. So then your flower kind of doesn't end up looking right. All right. And sometimes you tangle your string. There we go. Get some of that excess paint off right there. Alrighty. And here goes our last flower. Again, a loopy swoopy design. Alright, and then we're gonna pull. And all of this stuff, all the paint, the paintbrushes, the canvas, everything I got at the Dollar Tree. So really this is a simple and low cost art project that you and your family can do. I hope that you enjoyed our painting, and I'm really excited to see what you guys make. See you later.
It is time to make slime. So first we need a cup and a half of cornstarch. It is a mess. Here, now you help me with this. And some Kool-Aid. Good boy. Oh, don't use your hands. Hold on. And then water.
Wash.
Ready to help me? Grab the fork. And we're going to go. Oh, now move your hands real quick. Don't touch it yet.
Eat it.
No, you don't eat it. It's supposed to be slime. We're supposed to play in it.
Wash.
Nope. Hold on.
Wash. Wash. Okay, wash.
Hold on.
Wash.
Hold on. Hold on. You gotta stir it.
Okay. Yummy, 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 good.
We're done.
This is a video on how to attempt to make slime. All you need is 1.5 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, and 1 package of Kool-Aid. Once you've mixed it all together, your slime should be ready. Unfortunately, our slime did not come out well, but we turned it into being able to paint the sidewalk. My little one loved painting bright pink all over the grass, the sidewalk, and eventually the house. Even if you set out for things to turn out well, and they don't, try to keep an open mind on how things can still go well.